Kia ora, welcome to 2022. Man, I'm really losing track of days. 15th of the 9th. It's Thursday today. A lot of work going on. It is what it is. Kind of misty this morning. Really quite, I guess it was just warm yesterday and kind of didn't really clear out, burning off. It looks like smog haze. It's not actually smog. Maybe, I don't know, maybe some fires or something somewhere, but kind of hard to see on the camera, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to go and feed the chickens. So we got lots of stuff going on. Things started to arrive yesterday. Started work on last night on the job of cleaning the RV exterior, which is going to be a fairly big job because honestly I have not really done it. This might be a little bit of shaky cam, so I apologise for that. Chickens are hanging out for food. Good morning. So we'll go into our messy garage and grab them something to eat. It's my morning chore routine of sorts. So you'll get a first eye view of that, I guess, this morning. Ramble this morning is now turning into getting stuff done. So what have we got going on here? Kirsten has been sequestering things with her bunny rabbits. We've got a bit of leftover stuff from the ducks, so it's high protein. We'll convert that into chicken eggs and stuff. What's going on, girls? What's going on? Come on, Jokes. Jokes. Come on. Still finding duck eggs. Oh, they still live. Oh, they got the oyster shell here. Oh, yeah, okay. So, yes, nothing really dramatic here, just pretty much give them some food and they'll just do what chickens do for the rest of the day. Having a lot of birds with all the ducks, because we had 30 odd ducks. That was quite a... Come on, girls. Come on. It's over here. Come on. Jokes. Come on. Go and join your sister over there. Come on. Shoo. Yeah, chickens are very easy to look after compared to pretty much anything else, I guess. Once you've homed them and they return to their coop, they're almost like, you know, that's why they're the crack cocaine of homesteaders' livestock, I guess. We keep our feed in metal containers because don't want vermin and stuff to get into it. We've learned that one the hard way over the years. It's worthwhile investing in some stuff. And now we have 4, another one of the Wyandottes. So since I'm rambling, we've Buff Orpingtons and Wyandottes. Buff Orpingtons are good meat birds, good egg layers. Wyandottes are good layers as well. I think the major differentiator between the two, Wyandottes are very cheeky, very independent. They really do just kind of get out there and real inquisitive. And they're kind of a little bit hoppy, you know. What you doing, darlings? What you doing? Anyway, good fun. So apologies for that. Going to wander over towards the mist zone. I got a lot of cleaning. So much to do this weekend. It is what it is, I guess. So Dawn was out with Alex, I think, last night, playing flamethrowers again. So it is what it is. Just over by the pig zone, the cherry tomato volunteer is growing pretty gung-ho, but I mean, it's late in the season. I really don't think we're going to get any fruit off it. It's well, I won't, because I'll be down in Tennessee, but it is one of those things. So anyways, so yeah, what to talk about this morning? I think I might be suffering from empty brain again. I've got a lot on, so I have no real shortage of stuff that's kind of in my head, I guess. But oh, that's very pretty. Let me catch this. This will freak my sister out back in New Zealand. She has this crazy fear of spiders. But it's very pretty in the morning. There's another one over here as well. Now the ones that I find annoying are the ones that string their webs in the garage doorway. Those spiders are particularly annoying. Not because I have any problems with them per se, it's just they just kind of, get in the way. Wow, I'm looking at all the spider webs out here now. There's lots of them strung between the plants. And good on them. Oh. Spiders doing what spiders do, I guess. So, yes. So Thursday. A lot of work on today. We'll find out whether we're doing this thing this weekend, I guess. If so, then it's going to be a lot of work on this weekend as well. Monday's going to be pretty interesting because it's going to get pretty full on. Really today, just kind of looking forward to the first of the panels will be arriving today, hopefully intact. That'll be good. I'd like to prefer to avoid dealing with returns and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, so panels are arriving today, some of them. I've already got most of the cables and bits and pieces, first the mounting kits. So all going well, hopefully the Delta Pro will arrive tomorrow or Saturday. I guess we'll be, we being me, will be, I'm sure Dawn will get involved. We'll be setting these things up and just trying them out to see how it all works, basically. Turning theory into practical or whatever. So kind of looking forward to that, but I've rambled enough about that in the past few days. I guess that's a sign of excitement. Really, everything else that we've got on at the moment is really kind of around getting through work and getting stuff ready in the RV and getting stuff ready to put on the trailer for the second load. So Dawn's been kind of busy on that. Bless her. She finishes work this weekend. This is her last weekend. So budget's going to get a little tighter, if it's even possible, and we'll just have to see how that plays out. But yeah, a little more belt tightening I think will be in order of the day, with a number of trips back and forth and the cost of gas and the fact we're taking the truck down. Truck and trailer is not a great combination when you're travelling distances, so we'll burn through a tank of gas basically on the way down, and we'll burn through a tank of gas on the way back. Not quite as much because we won't be towing, but well, actually the trailer will be coming back and forth. But yeah, so we've got at least 4 trips coming up in the next few weeks, return trips at least. I think we're planning on taking the car down as well. We'll just have to see how that plays out. So yeah, quite a few trips. That's going to equate to a lot of money. Thank you, current administration. It would have been a lot less a year, or even 2 years, especially 2 years ago. But it is what it is. At least it's not $5 a gallon. Again, that would be pretty horrific. But you know, gas prices here are in the 360, 380 mark. So not as expensive as back home in New Zealand, but by any means a stretch. Other parts of the world. So honestly, we can't really super complain. But yeah, we'll be looking easily at $100 plus a trip, just for gas. So that is unfortunately the cost of moving. So be it. We could stick around, I guess, and wait a bit longer and all those things, but everything we've been planning for is kind of coming to this culmination. So for the move, so we shall do it. And then once I'm down there, then my residency changes, and we're just going to deal with that stuff too. So anyway, another empty brain ramble. Had spiders and chickens. It's probably enough for a Thursday morning. Take care, everyone. Kia ora, and ramble again tomorrow. Ciao.